gets a little treat for being the
Yep, he's thinking about it.
hook at it.
He'll get it.
Oh, I see what he's doing.
He's trying to. Just want the fish. What the heck is that guy taking it?
Watch out, his mouth is open now.
Oh God, what the heck are you doing?
Watch. Watch.